Hi, it is Jennifer here. You cannot sleep, so you take melatonin. And at first, it might seem like it works. I only took it once, and I knew right away something was off. I fell asleep quickly, then woke up at 3 in the morning, wide awake. When the sun came up, I felt completely exhausted. That experience made me start asking questions. Melatonin is one of the most popular sleep supplements in the world. But is it always helping? Or could it be interfering with the body's natural sleep process? Could we be misunderstanding what it really does? And could we be misled again? Let's explore the science together and ask, is melatonin a helpful sleep aid, or something that could actually be disrupting what our bodies are designed to do? Because sleep, as I talk about in the 5 S's, is not a luxury. It is a foundation. What melatonin really is? Melatonin is not a sleeping pill. It is a hormone. It is produced by the pineal gland in your brain in response to darkness, and helps regulate your circadian rhythm, your internal clock. It does not sedate you. It simply signals to your body that it is time to start winding down. Melatonin production actually begins with serotonin, which comes from tryptophan, an amino acid found in protein-rich foods. In the evening, when it gets dark, your body converts serotonin into melatonin. But if your serotonin levels are low, or your light exposure is off, this conversion process can be disrupted. Melatonin is just one piece of a larger chain of chemical signals. Your brain starts producing melatonin naturally when the sun goes down, unless that signal gets interrupted by things like screen light, stress, or irregular routines. So, when you take melatonin as a supplement, you are not just helping your body sleep. You are replacing part of a complex, delicate process, and that matters. And here is another thing to consider: the pineal gland itself. Some studies suggest that fluoride, which is commonly added to drinking water, may accumulate in the pineal gland over time. This could potentially interfere with melatonin production, although more research is needed. We will be diving deeper into fluoride and its impact on the body in an upcoming video. What happens when you supplement? Here is where it gets interesting. Most over-the-counter melatonin supplements contain far more than your body would naturally produce. According to studies, the average natural melatonin level at night is about 0.3 milligrams. But many supplements contain 3, 5, even 10 milligrams or more. Some research suggests that regularly taking melatonin in high doses may lead to your body producing less of its own. There are also concerns about rebound insomnia, vivid dreams, grogginess, and dependency. In children and teens whose hormone systems are still developing, the risks may be even higher. So it raises the question, is melatonin helping us regulate sleep, or overriding it? Is it addressing the real problem? Melatonin might help you fall asleep faster, but does it help you stay asleep? Does it fix cortisol imbalance, high nighttime stress, or blood sugar crashes that wake you up? The answer seems to be, not really. Sleep is a complex, full-body process. Melatonin is just one signal, but if the rest of the system is out of sync, the signal does not work. And for some people, especially those already struggling with stress or dysregulation, melatonin may make things feel worse, not better. That is why this is worth questioning. Are we fixing the problem, or bypassing it? What your body is doing while you sleep. Let's take a second to look at what is supposed to happen during deep, natural sleep. When you sleep, your body is not just resting. Your brain is flushing out waste through the lymphatic system, consolidating memory, regulating hormones, and repairing tissues. Sleep is when human growth hormone is released, when your immune system becomes more active, and when cortisol resets itself for the next day. Neurotransmitters like GABA also play a role, calming your brain and nervous system so that melatonin's message can land. So if you are skipping the full cycle of sleep, or artificially forcing it, you are not getting the repair your body needs, even if you technically slept. How to support natural sleep. If melatonin is just a signal, then what helps restore the process? Morning sunlight within an hour of waking, limiting screen time and blue light at night, Magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, dark greens, and bananas. A warm Epsom salt bath or calming tea before bed. A cooler, darker bedroom. A consistent sleep routine. And here is something I have been thinking about. Maybe falling asleep is not just physical. Maybe it is a skill, like intuition. Maybe we need to practice turning off thought and turning on rest. That is where meditation comes in. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of stillness before bed can help your brain shift from alertness to calm. Meditation has been shown to lower cortisol, increase alpha waves, and even raise your natural melatonin production. It quiets the mental noise and helps your body feel safe enough to rest. You do not have to be good at it. You just have to give it a chance. Journaling, deep breathing, or guided meditations are all ways to signal to your brain that it is time to let go. Not by forcing sleep, but by creating the space for it to happen. What should we do? I am not here to tell you to stop taking melatonin, but I am here to say, maybe it is time to look deeper. Are we being sold another supplement that overrides rather than restores? If melatonin use keeps rising, but our sleep keeps getting worse, are we really solving anything? What if your body still knows how to sleep? It just needs the right environment to remember. What if we stopped chasing rest and started rebuilding rhythm? In the next video, we are going to take a closer look at fluoride. What is it doing in our water, and what is it doing in our bodies? After that, we will explore vitamins, how they are made, and whether synthetic nutrients are actually helping or just passing through. So if you're ready for a deeper look at what we are told to take, hit subscribe. This is Keto and Fasting. Been there, done that.